The McLaren GTS, a replacement for the GT, merges McLaren's driving excitement with comfort for everyday drives and extended journeys. It boasts a striking design, superior power-to-weight ratio through carbon fiber construction, and improved exterior options. Updates to the GTS's appearance include a more assertive front with pronounced air intakes, and rear fender enhancements for increased airflow to the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. The car's muscular visuals feature a rear diffuser and dual exhausts, contributing to a raw supercar sound. With a focus on lightweight construction, the GTS weighs just 1,520 kilograms, offering exceptional power-to-weight ratio at 418 PS per ton. Its 4.0-liter engine delivers 635 PS, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.2 seconds and reaching a maximum speed of 326 km per hour. The car features a 7-speed transmission with comfort, sport, and track modes, ensuring smooth yet brisk acceleration. The electro-hydraulic steering system, adaptive suspension, and carbon-ceramic braking system optimize its mid-engine position for balance and agility without compromising comfort. Inside, the GTS provides a blend of performance and luxury with high-quality materials, including Nappa leather, aluminum finishes, and optional carbon fiber elements. Various interior schemes offer a refined ambience and comfort for long-distance travel, complemented by a digital instrument display and a central touchscreen infotainment system. The car boasts ample cargo space, offering 570 liters in total, making it one of the most practical new supercars available. It's equipped with a range of exterior paint options, new wheel designs, and optional titanium locking wheel bolts for reduced unsprung mass. The McLaren GTS comes with a standard 3-year vehicle warranty and a McLaren service plan covering 3 years of servicing. Positioned as a lightweight McLaren supercar, the GTS sets the stage for McLaren's evolving lineup beyond 2024.